do you say? I don't have any treats for you. Or I'd give you something. You're an omen, aren't you?
It's a big enough umbrella, but it's always me that ends up getting wet. Every little thing she does is magic. Everything she do just turns
Oh my lord.